Hello, EI Challengers. Today we're going to be discussing the self-assessment for the EI Challenge. First, you'll want to visit the assessment page. Head over to the How Emotionally Intelligent Are You page on Mind Tools to begin the quiz. Understand the purpose. The assessment evaluates 5 core EI dimensions: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. Scroll down, be sure not to hit or click on any of the ads that may pop up, and complete the quiz. The quiz consists of a series of scenario-based statements or questions related to emotional responses. Reflect on how you typically react or feel in a situation and respond honestly. Then, click Calculate Your Results and review them. You'll receive a breakdown of your strengths across the 5 EI areas, along with insights into each dimension. Use the feedback constructively to finish off. Mind Tools often includes tailored tips for development. Use these suggestions to nurture your EI, both personally and professionally.